Good afternoon and welcome to Channel 5 Weather News. I am Jim Jones. Tonight we bring you a warning from weather stations across the country. The tropical storm from deep in the Caribbean waters is an imposing threat to the area. There have been reports of heavy rainfall, strong winds and severe thunderstorms. Please take caution. Take all necessary procedures to protect your belongings, like taping up your windows, securing all loose objects, and bolting up the door. A government warning has been sent out to all citizens. Here's meteorologist Curtis Jackson with some updates on the storm.
Curtis Jackson here with your weather report. Here you can see the tropical storm we're observing is formed in a low-pressure system. It is characterized by 72-mile-per-hour winds, heavy rainfall, and thunderstorms. As you can see, it is moving in a circular motion. This which means it is a tropical cyclone. It gains strength over water and loses it over land. It is moving east, so it is going to hit Europe, where it should die down soon. Hopefully all the coastal regions are preparing for the storm.
We're now live with Antonio Banderas, who is live and on scene in the Dominican Republic.
Good afternoon, and welcome to another edition of the Channel 5 News On Location Report. I'm standing outside of the weather station, and the storm has hit us in full force, with 72-mile-an-hour winds and heavy downpour, as you've seen everywhere. Everyone better prepare for the worst. Make a trip to the convenience store and stock up on supplies. By this storm, we might hear for a few days. This has been another edition of the Channel 5 On Location Report.
Here with a victim of the storm, Brett Barta. So Brett, you told me that this tropical storm damaged your home. Is this true?
Yes, indeed. After I came home from work, I found out that my roof was gone and the windows were all shattered.
Now that's a fierce storm. Brett, you also told Channel 5 that the storm was moving east. Why do you say so?
Well, the storm was moving east because after my roof was blown off, I found it to the east of the house.
Well, this doesn't look good for the mainland. Thanks, Brett, for the interesting interview. But our time is up. Please tune in tomorrow for another live interview. Thanks. As you can see, the effects of the storm were quite drastic. Take this net, for example. Yesterday, it stood perfectly fine, but by the storm, it was literally torn out of the cement. Even the animals have to fend for themselves now. Although the effects of tropical storms can be quite devastating, they also play an important role in the environment. They bring much needed precipitation to often dry regions such as the Dominican Republic. They also maintain global heat balance by moving warm moist air to the polar regions. These storms are also very common. They occur annually in the Caribbean, and although most of the time they're not serious, some are worth taking note of. Tropical Storm Delta, which occurred in 2005, caused major damage in the Canary Islands. Tropical Storm Chantal, which occurred in 2007, also caused significant damage in eastern Canada. The storm caused flooding and over $4 million in damage in one town alone. States of emergency were declared in at least 5 communities in Canada.